Yes. Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and look what we have here today. It's a 1994 SL 600. Yes, that's 600. That's the baby with the V12. That's what we are talking about today. Right, so let's not waste any time. Let's get inside this bad boy and check it out. Right, from 1984, so I guess this has got everything you would expect from a car of that era. It's walnut, automatic box. That's what it should have. I know there's people out there that say it shouldn't. Right, it comes with the hard top and the soft top, as you would know. This car actually has been rebored, so it's not your standard V12 Mercedes from 1984 SL 600. This one is rebored to 7.2 litres. So I think the standard one had around 398 brake horsepower. This one is 590. So you're gaining about 200 plus on the rebore. RAF, they're the guys responsible for doing that and the tuning and everything else. So this isn't your average V12 SL 600 supercar from 1994. It's in really nice condition, this car as well, for the age. Really nice sort of bolstered seats, perforated leather. You come to expect that from all Mercedes now, even the new ones. This one's even got a little cup holder in there. Look, a nice little cup holder there, ready to grab your stuff, and you can close it away if you want. Nice, powerful gearbox to handle all that power. Big V12 up front. Right, I didn't really check out the rims. Let's go outside and check out the rims. Yeah. Oh, nice and solid, this car. Right, so with 19-inch rims, Keskin, they're called. They're in good condition as well. Paintwork is lovely on this car. If we look all around it, there's no real stuff going on here, no real rust or anything like that. A few stone chips, but the car is in fantastic condition. Now, everyone's be interested in the business end there. That V12, you know, these V12s have been put in loads of different cars. I mean, variants of this V12. I mean, you find them in Zondas, Aston Martins, McLarens, you know. That V12 is tried and tested. And the newer ones today, they're still going strong in many cars. So, enough of me chatting about this thing. What's the next step? Let's get the boy down the road and see what he does. I mean, there's nothing like driving around in these big old Mercs, but if you're gonna do it and you get the chance to drive one with a V12 and almost 600 brake horsepower, you got to give it a go. So here I am. So as you know, back in the day it was only the very rich and famous that were driving around in cars like this, and 30 years later it's your boy Gary, DJ Gary from Cars of Sweden Live. So enjoy with me. But you know, this is a proper cruiser as well, you know. I mean, the tune on this car was done back in 2007, so and it was tuned up to 594 brake horsepower. So we don't know how many of those horses have left the stable, but I'm sure it's got a load of juice left in there still. So let's just take it nice and easy past this bus, the school children crossing the road. You know, you can just cruise around, This is what I like best. Yeah, you're not in a rush. I'm in no hurry whatsoever. Just, you know, I've got a nice Merc, classic Merc, loads of power when I need it. Don't quite need it right yet, so we'll just take it nice and easy, lemon squeezy. Like I said, it's got a hard top on now, it's got a soft top obviously, and yeah, everything is included, so we're going to leave the hard top on for today though. Right, a few road works coming up, so we'll just cruise up nicely to it. Just give it a little bit of a splurt, shall we? Alright. Come up to the 70 zone in a bit, and then yeah, we'll have a look, shall we? Excited. Here we go. It's great. I tell you, the way a 12 delivers the power is just gorgeous, because you don't even realise you're going that fast, but it's just so smooth and lovely. I want this car. I do. I really do want this car. Can I afford it? That's a totally different story. So the question is, how does a 1994 Mercedes V12 7.2 litre 594 brake horsepower hold up in 2021? Well, the honest answer to that is glorious, absolutely glorious. Hopefully you enjoyed the show. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Click your notifications as well, because we get cars like this every week. I'm bringing you as much stuff as I can, people, so the least you can do is subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live.